Welcome to Silicon Supremacy, the 2026 Intel versus AMD processor duel. In this video, we'll provide a definitive synthesis of the latest processor architectures and how they perform under various professional and gaming workloads. The processor race is shifting beyond raw clock speed. Supremacy in 2026 is defined by architectural efficiency, AI acceleration through NPUs, and platform sustainability. It's about how intelligently a chip manages its workloads. We see three key zones of dominance. Zone 1, the X3D monopoly for gaming. Zone 2, the productivity divide for heavy rendering versus burst execution. And Zone 3, the single-threaded stronghold for creative suites. In Zone 1, gaming, AMD maintains an undisputed lead. The Ryzen 7 and 9 X3D chips offer a 30 to 35% performance advantage over Intel's flagship, especially in CPU-intensive titles. This advantage is due to 3D V-cache, which eliminates micro-latency bottlenecks by vertically stacking the L3 cache. This design is fundamentally superior for high frame rate gaming. Intel's response is the Core Ultra 200S Plus, utilizing the binary optimization tool. This software-level strategy claws back performance in specialized esports titles, but it remains a tier below AMD in pure gaming throughput. Zone 2, productivity, is a split decision. The winner is determined by your specific software license. We see a clear division between multi-threaded might and single-threaded burst performance. AMD is the heavy lifter, offering up to 15% faster rendering times at lower power, dominating 3D rendering and compiling. Intel is the sprinter, championing burst execution with superior peak clock speeds for CAD and the Adobe ecosystem. Zone 3 focuses on power efficiency and thermals. AMD leverages TSMC's advanced process nodes, resulting in typical peak power draws of 120 to 170 watts. Intel's peak can reach 250 watts for single-core performance. This power divergence creates a cooling tax. High-end Ryzen chips are often manageable with standard air cooling, while the flagship Intel Core Ultra 9 requires a premium 360mm liquid cooling solution to prevent thermal throttling. Platform sustainability is also key. AMD's AM5 socket guarantees motherboard support through 2027 plus, offering a drop-in upgrade path. Intel's new LGA1851 socket has uncertain generational support, posing a long-term risk. The core diagnostic matrix summarizes the duel. AMD leads in gaming, 3D rendering, efficiency, and upgrade path. Intel excels in content creation for Adobe, media encoding, and single-core focused tasks. We can categorize four primary personas. AMD offers the gaming king and the productivity monster. Intel provides the professional choice, while AMD also claims the mid-range value champion. Your decision depends on your critical workload. If you prioritize gaming, rendering, and efficiency, choose the AMD ecosystem. If you prioritize single-core speed, Adobe Suites, and CAD, choose the Intel ecosystem. This concludes our video on Silicon Supremacy 2026. Choose your architecture and build with confidence.